Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. This is an Elliott wave analysis of ICP. And man, this was an ugly sell-off. One thing I noticed compared to other charts, AVAX is similar to this one. And that's where we made new lows in this area. Most coins we did not. There wasn't enough strength to push it down. But it looks like we have an ending diagonal here. Not sure what this wave sell-off is, but we're going to start from the low down here for our Elliott wave count. And areas where we expect this impulse to finish is in this area of resistance here, this previous sell-off zone. It also lines up with fib targets. I'll show you this. And when we finally get our correction here, what we're looking for is support on previous resistance here on these highs and this previous fourth to continue to the upside. Let's get down to the 4 hour, get off this low. Off this low, we have our wave 1. We had a bit of an extension in our third wave past the 1.618. We then had our 3-wave correction and for our fourth. And it looks like we're working on our fifth at the moment to the upside. And we had our wave 1, 2. Looks like we're working on finishing our third wave here of our fifth. And we'll be expecting our fourth and our fifth around that 2.618 extension, but to hold below this previous resistance. So we shouldn't get above $24 before getting a nice retracement here to retrace this entire impulse. Let's see if we have anything to go on in the micro levels. Yeah, I wouldn't chase this at this point. I'm going to wait for this larger retracement. There is a scalp opportunity for this wave 5 once this third is complete, but you can see we're either in the middle of the fourth wave of this last third, or we're putting in this third wave waiting for our fourth. Hard to say at the moment until we make a higher high. There's lots that can happen. We can just make 5 waves up from here, come back down, go up for that fifth. Or this could turn into a flat, then make our third, come back for our fourth, then our fifth. But as of right now, I don't really see a nice trade setup. Not enough risk reward here, because our invalidation point would be this wave 1. There's just not enough risk reward to take an entry. But this is gearing up for a nice setup in the future. I'm definitely going to be trading this one down the road. Just adding my alerts in case I forget. I have a lot I'm paying attention to, but if we get this set up between the 50 and the 618, where are we on linear? We'd be using linear scale for this one because log is just too deep. We'd want to hold again that previous support at those previous resistance levels and this fourth wave as support. Again, just pulled this from this from our proposed 2.618. This can change obviously, but I would most likely use linear for the entry here. It lines up exactly where we would expect. So after this wave completes, looking for that zigzag as our ABC, the most likely scenario. Again, we'd be off linear, so it'd be something like this. Probably the 382 on log scale. Yeah, around the 382. And this would make our larger 1, 2. And we'd be launching for our third of the third. So very excited for this one. I don't think I'll be scalping this one on the channel, maybe on my own account. But this is a great setup coming. There might be a short opportunity. That's a pretty big move, depending if we get an ending diagonal or not. We're looking at a 50% drop if we reach target. So I'll definitely be paying attention to this near these highs for a short opportunity. But yeah, this one looks good, guys, for the future. If you want to check out my other trade setups, I'm currently in all of these. All the setups are on my channel. This is my channel account. I started with 10,000 and I risk 1% per trade, and I show you all the trades I take. All right, guys, so if you want access to that, just hit the like and subscribe button and the notification button if you want it right away. All right, guys, thanks for watching.